Anxiety is such a problem in today's day and age. But what people don't seem to understand is that anxiety is just our innate animalistic survival instincts. Every living creature has it. Anxiety is a hoax. It's just a clinical paradigm concocted by the medical industry so that you think you have a problem. Then they pollute your body with drugs, which ends up making it worse. Antidepressants are not the answer. Here are 5 steps that you can take to overcome your anxiety. Step 1. Belly breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. Your diaphragm is located behind your ribcage, and when you engage it, you stimulate your vagus nerve. Now, the vagus nerve is basically in charge of modulating the fight or flight mechanisms in your body. Stimulating it lowers our stress response, which in turn lowers anxiety. Now, your nervous system has 2 sides to it, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Slow belly breathing engages the parasympathetic nervous system, which lets your body know it's okay to relax and that there are no imminent threats. So to do this correctly, sit or lie down comfortably and put your hands on the belly. Relax the muscles in the neck and shoulders. Breathe in slowly through the nose. Feel the lungs fill with air and inflate like a balloon as the belly moves outwards. It's like riding a bike. You should get the hang of it with practice. You'll know it's working when you are feeling kind of tingly and relaxed, which means you've activated the vagus nerve. Step 2. Meditation. Our animalistic brains are constantly thinking. Meditation is the habitual process of training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. Mental and physical stress causes increased levels of the stress hormone cortisol. This produces many of the harmful effects of stress, such as the release of inflammatory chemicals called cytokines. When you calm your mind and learn to focus your thoughts, it reduces cortisol in the body, leading to diminished anxiety symptoms, along with increasing positive self-statements and improving stress reactivity and coping. It's important to incorporate meditation with step 1, which was belly breathing, and together provides a level of serenity and bliss. Step 3. Exercise. Now, everyone knows that exercise is great for your health, both physically and mentally. Getting your heart rate up changes brain chemistry, increasing the availability of important anti-anxiety neurochemicals, including serotonin, which is the happy chemical in the body. Exercise activates the frontal regions of the brain, responsible for executive function, which helps control the amygdala. The amygdala controls fear and is our reacting system to real or imagined threats to our survival. At the very least, take a walk for 20 to 30 minutes with enough speed to get your heart pumping. It's important to be working the cardiovascular system. After all, our ancestors were running and chasing after their food and earning their survival. Our bodies are not meant to be lethargic and sitting around all day. Step 4. Fix your gut health. You may not understand how important this is. Have you ever had a gut-wrenching experience or felt nauseous when you were nervous? This is because the brain and the gastrointestinal system are intimately connected. Next time you eat, pay attention to after when you're digesting the food. You'll notice you might get a bit lethargic and even a little groggy. Did you know that 90% of serotonin, which is the happy chemical, is created in the gut? Here are some tips to optimize gut health. Have lots of fiber. Your gut bacteria loves to digest fiber, which stimulates its growth and makes it stronger. These are great food options to get more fiber. You can also take a fiber supplement, which works great. Eat probiotics. Probiotics are good bacteria and they fight off the bad bacteria in your gut. Eat foods like these, and you could also take a probiotic supplement, which works great. Lastly, drink bone broth. Bone broth helps improve intestinal and digestive health, and also helps keep gut microbes away from the intestinal barrier. Step 5. Cold showers. Cold showers have been proven to improve blood circulation. When you cool down your body temperature, your system responds by moving fresh blood, increasing endorphins, or feel-good chemicals in your brain. Endorphins can ease symptoms of depression and anxiety. Cold showers also reduce inflammation. Ongoing stress may increase inflammation, which can then lead to a cycle of inflammation-induced anxiety. And when you step out of the cold shower, you will notice you have a clear mind. This might seem daunting, and not gonna lie, it is pretty hard to do. So start out with 15 seconds of cold water after taking a normal warm or hot shower, and slowly work your way up throughout the next few weeks, ending your normal shower with cold. 2 minutes is where you want to be ideally, as this is the optimal amount of time to reap the benefits. So if you follow any of these 5 steps, you will see diminished anxiety symptoms in as little as a week. Try one at a time, and eventually they will become a part of your routine. Remember, your mindset is important. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't work right away. You won't get anywhere in life without effort and patience. So if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if this was valuable, and drop a thumbs up for more.